Alright guys, this is what the finished product is like. Didn't turn out too bad. Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to start this pour now. I'll try to bring it on as much as I can. Stay tuned. Right here, I can only mix one bag at a time. You can mix a bag and a half, but it kind of overdoes it too much. It took about 47 bags for this pour. So I pretty much would get a bag started when I had the wheelbarrow going, dumped it, then spread it around as much as I could before the next batch was done. Alright guys, this is how far I am now. So far. That's about the whole skid pretty much. Alright guys, I got it poured. Got it bull floated off. Now I'm just waiting on it to set up a little bit. Then I'll get in there and mag float it. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Not too shabby. Not too shabby for doing it by yourself. Here's the other side of it. So here I'm just mag floating it best I can. Still a little wet. Then I try to let it dry up a little bit. I didn't get all the brooming in. I forgot to record, but I got the first start of it so you guys can see. Alright guys, this is what the finished product is like. Didn't turn out too bad. Not too bad. Right here I'm getting ready to put the final edging on after I broomed it.